This video is about a turtle that is laying eggs.
That is cool. Did he leave that area before?
Yeah.
Is he hurt?
He was there. He was doing, look, he did it right there the first time. Brayden!
Is he putting eggs in them holes?
Yes. Brayden, honey, can you...
How do you feel about that power cord going on the old glass?
Daddy's here.
Or you just wanted to stuff it in the truck or cover it in the bed?
I mean, I don't care, I guess.
I really think we should just wait. I mean, I could just...
He's watching you. Don't get too close to him.
It's cool. It's so cool. Like, what is scaring me? What's so fast?
Yeah,
That was
because
so
our
cool.
cord, we'll need our cord, right? Because they have a certain plug in this stupid place.
But
Brayden, no.
you need to listen. You can watch. Brayden, watch it come out of its watch. See the white face.
2 or 3 already
I
came.
know, I watched 3.
You can't see. He left me up. He left me up.
It's a she.
It's a she because it's like, if you sit right here and just watch, it's your end, you will see something white come out of it. You just have to stare it.
It's getting ready.
Did you see that?
I hope I got it on video. This turtle is putting eggs in the hole. When it lifts its body up, it's going to drop an egg.
Okay.
See that, guys? Putting the eggs down in the hole.
Brayden, honey, can you please back up, honey?
I'm following you. Alright, come on, kiddo.
Turtles can lay up to 10 to 30 eggs and sometimes 100 to 120. Turtles can take a few weeks to several months to hatch.